Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys is none other than the number 94. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This, guys, is the number 94. If you would like to see the previous 93, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the in cards in the end of this video. And of course guys, this collection is from none other than editorial Salvat. And well, let's open this up. And here it talks about modern kitchens. That's one great thing about this collection, is that it talks not only about things during the Victorian age, but things throughout history. And here it talks about bicycles. That one there is really cute. I especially like the wooden seat and handlebars. Sorry guys, these, again, the pages are a bit hard to turn, but here we go. Then you have this little black one, and this like black and silver one. And here guys, it shows you how to prepare the wooden piece that we got to put it onto the house. It walks you through how to do each step one by one. And guys, as always, once we have the complete collection unboxed, I will be walking you through how to do each one of these projects, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, with that being said, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to tell me what number are you on, where you guys are from. Are you waiting for the entire collection, like me, to start building it? Or are you building it as you get it piece by piece? tell me down in the comments below. I, as always, look forward to hearing from you. And well guys, that's the end of that. We just have the front of the dollhouse here. And of course guys, this is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And now it's time to see the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And okay guys, so first up we have our new wooden piece that will be for our dollhouse, which I showed you in the magazine of how to prepare. So that's that. It's the same Franken wood as the other wooden pieces for the dollhouse. I'm just gonna put that to the side. And we have this little bucket. I'm just going to open the little ziplock that it came in. There, it seems to have been a bit squished, but I managed to get it back how it should be. Let's see if I can get it in better view. You can see that it has some weathering on it, which is, for me, I think it's a very nice touch. It seems to be made out of some kind of lightweight metal. There's the inside of the bucket. And well, that's that. This is also made out of metal. Forgot to mention that. And well, you guys tell me, what do you guys think about our new addition to our dollhouse? Tell me down in the comments below. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button and make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to check out down in the description below. I will have the links to all of my social media, so my Twitter, my Facebook, my Instagram, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parts-in-Air. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. Well, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.